Hey there, future HVAC technicians. Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when an HVAC pro steps in to save the day? Well, today I'm taking you on a tour to showcase a day in the life of an HVAC technician at Coastal Breeze Heating and Air Conditioning. Buckle up because we're diving into the tools and techniques that keep your systems running smoothly. First up, let's talk about the toolbox. A technician's toolbox is like a treasure chest, full of vital gadgets and gizmos. One of the most important tools, the multimeter. This bad boy is essential for testing electrical currents, ensuring everything is functioning properly. Without it, diagnosing electrical issues would be like finding a needle in a haystack. Next, we've got the refrigerant gauges. These are crucial for checking the pressure in your system and making sure your refrigerant levels are just right. Too much or too little refrigerant can cause major headaches, so this tool is a technician's best friend. And let's not forget the trusty pipe wrench. Perfect for securing and adjusting fittings, ensuring there are no leaks in the system. Alright, now on to the process. When a technician arrives at your home or business, the first step is usually an inspection. They'll take a thorough look at your entire HVAC system, from the thermostat to the vents, to identify any potential issues. Once the inspection is done, it's time to get hands-on. Say, for instance, there's a problem with your air conditioning unit. The technician will start by shutting off the power to ensure safety. Then they'll open up the unit and use their multimeter to test the electrical components. If a part needs replacing, like a capacitor or a motor, they'll swap it out with precision and care. If the issue is with the heating system, the process is a bit different. A technician might check the furnace, clean the burners, and ensure the heat exchanger is in top shape. And during the colder months, they'll make sure your system is ready to keep you warm and cozy. Preventive maintenance is also a huge part of the job. Technicians will regularly check filters, clean coils, and ensure everything is operating efficiently. This not only extends the life of your system, but also helps in reducing energy bills. Now let's talk about ductwork. Properly sealed and clean ducts are essential for efficient HVAC operation. Technicians often use special tools like duct crimpers and seamers to ensure airtight connections. They'll also perform duct inspections to check for any blockages or leaks. And of course, safety is paramount. HVAC pros always wear protective gear like gloves and goggles, and they follow strict safety protocols. Whether it's handling refrigerants or working with electrical components, safety is always the top priority. So there you have it, a peek behind the scenes with an HVAC pro. From essential tools to meticulous techniques, these professionals are the unsung heroes keeping your environments comfortable. Are you ready to join me? Call Coastal Breeze Heating and Air Conditioning today to apply. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more HVAC insights. Until next time, stay cool or warm depending on the season.